Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Katie and today I'm going to do a paper piecing from my page kit number 96, and the title is 98% Nice and 2% Naughty. This is a Christmas page kit featuring Mickey and Pluto, and this kit will be available in my Etsy shop. And you can find the link below to purchase in the description of this video. So I hope you enjoy. Let's go ahead and get started. So the black is our base piece, and we're going to go ahead and glue the white piece right on top, leaving a nice thin outline border around the edge. I like to use the Art Glitter brand Designer Dries Clear. This is my favorite to use, keeping about 1/8 of an inch away from any edges as best you can. Right here, obviously we can't do that, but you want to eliminate as much glue oozing out as possible when you're placing this down. I'm just making sure that it's even all the way around with that black outline, and then just pushing it down. Any glue that oozes out, you can just take your nail or even take the tip, the little pin, not the tip, I'm sorry, the pin that was in the tip from your glue. Just wipe it. And I'm always wiping off the pin as well, because you don't want glue to dry on there and then clog your tip. Okay, so there's our first piece. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and layer on the numbers. And I'm not squeezing too hard. I don't want a lot of glue to come out. Just enough to stick it down. And some of the paper is textured. The brown paper is textured. And so that makes it real easy to tell that it's right side up because the texture's on the top. Or the textures part you can see. Okay. This part's a little tricky because there isn't really a defining area. Maybe I'll do this one first. And I'm looking at the white edging here and here and up here to make sure it's centered. And then that hopefully helps place the zero symbol in the percent sign. Let's see. Okay, so I'm just gonna look at where this goes, but it's gonna layer over the top, so I can't glue it down. Okay, this is gonna go okay, this overlaps the bottom end, so I need to put this one down first. And then I just want to decide, do I want this to be on top or underneath? I'm going to put the end down first. all done. I'll give you a closer look. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more videos from me, please click the subscribe button and click that bell for notifications. Thank you so much and have a great day.